I apologize for that. It's no fault of mine. I guess it's just the system that exists presently where I'm at. Right? So I was talking about, yeah, a lot of persons gone do different things. Some persons preparing to watch Sunday night football. I'm sorry about that, guys. I don't intend to be long, probably about next 5-10 minutes. I'll be off. So I am just giving a heads up as to where I'm at right now. Now, I had said that I wanted to do a video once every other day, but based on how situation looks, I think I might just go to uh 4:30 a.m. Eastern time, same time as in New York. You will see a video from me. If you don't see a video from me, that means I'm a little bit tired and there was none produced. For example, today there was no video. Well, I did no video in the I did some work in on my fish farm. I did no video. Yeah, it looks better, right? I'm trying, I'm trying. So I it's a lot of work having a fish farm. It's right. I'm trying to see if I can log on back to where I was at, right? So give me a sec. All right. So I don't know the reason why. I don't know if it's because the kids were actually watching TV. I don't know if I don't know, honestly. I don't know the reason why, right? But that's just how it is, right? Sometimes you have technology failure and situation does occur. I going forward, oh, I should say, uh it is a monthly thing where in which I do some stats report, yeah, stats, right? Statistical report on the non-monetized channel. So therefore, you had the one for January, the one for February should be out. Give me the latest. The first week, the end of the first week in February. It can be early, like last month, January, or it can be late. It depends on what is actually occurring at the moment, right? Because yeah, as you all know, this is a really hectic period for me because I actually have a lot of work at school to do and I have to be now looking at reports, ensure that reports are actually prepared properly and grades are entered. So this is like report, next 2 weeks is like report week, right? So I'm there trying to get that thing done, right? So not much video, well, no video, well, one video was done today. Normally I would do, as Funk would say, I would do 10 videos and then I would schedule them, but today I only did one. I had a lot of topics, but I only did one because of I just felt tired, right? Thursday night really beat me out a lot because I was up until hours trying to get in those figures, trying to configure the video, put in the pictures, put in the stats, and it, guys, it's a lot of work, right? But I do it because I like it, because it's really fun. And when I went to school to do my studies, I did demography and statistics, looking at population. So the whole idea of working with figures is really awesome to me. So I like it. So that's why I primarily stick. So going forward, it is expected that channels who actually put forward. Oh, by the way, at the end of at the end of this video, by the time it's fixed up and all that, I will make a list of all the channels in which I have. I think it's near 200. I'm not sure. All channels in which I have in my listings um, to look at the end of each month. And if your channel is not listed, you can let me know and I will gladly add it to it, right? Some channels I know is not listed, but I know that they have not been doing anything because of certain situations, so therefore their names will not be in the list. For example, DPK, right? As soon as he become active again, his name will be added. As soon as Laughing Squid become active again, he will be added to the list. as soon as is this other one, I don't remember his name, but as soon as they become active, they be on the list again, right? But because I'm just trying to get as much as possible persons in, that's the situation. Now with regards to YouTube and fish keeping and Raleigh, right? Raleigh look at fish keeping in Jamaica. Raleigh look at how you deal with different situations in Jamaica as far as fish keeping is concerned. Now, point to note, how your situation exists, where you're at, is totally different from how where I am at, right? For example, I might be able to keep ponds outside while you might not. Worse, persons in Chicago are actually at a probably a particular situation right now where you have this super freeze climatic condition. Anything outside actually freeze, right? I mean, like minus 45 degrees, or something like that, right? I don't know the exact amount, but something like that. So I guess if you had fish outside in ponds, probably you will be like turning up those heaters, buying up those heaters, and putting them at full blast, because at such temperature the fish will surely die. But in Jamaica it's a totally different game, because we experience a wet season and a dry season. Usually the dry season lasts until, well, between January and about March, April, right? And then you have the April May rains, and then now you will end up have the rainy seasons going back to about December, right? But because North America have this super freeze situation, what happens is that the breeze from North America is actually blowing over the Caribbean, causing a little trough area, meeting up with the warm air coming from Africa. What you have is that you have an unstable condition where you have what you call frontal rainfall. Now, as a result of that, we are experiencing a lot of rainfall, to the extent in which some sections of Jamaica have been flooded, especially to the northern end, that is to Montego Bay, St. Anne's, Trelawney, and over those areas have been suffering as a result of a lot of rainfall. Now, as far as my fish stock is concerned, my fish stock, they are doing okay. I actually had to decrease the volume of water that existed in the pond because of intermittent rainfall during the course of the week, and sometimes I'm not here. So as a result of that, some of the ponds, the water level have actually been taken down a little bit, so as to prevent the small, very small fish from going through the overflow holes, right? As far as my Jack Dempsey is concerned, I have about 60 Jack Dempseys in my house. They are really called juveniles, and I have probably about another 100 in the pond, which comes from about 2 swans. I want to clean the pond outside, but I'm a little bit scared because it's a lot of work, and unlike other fish ponds, where, for example, the goldfish, in which I can easily just let out the water and catch the fish and put it. With those fish, they love to they will hide in the muck and the mess. Give me a second, a little bit, as I attend to something inside my house. All right, so I'm back. I said that I will go about more than probably about 10 minutes, but having the stream actually going smooth as how it is, probably I might run it over a little bit. I apologize for that. I'm just trying to ensure that I get my 60 minutes in, right? The first couple of minutes, first half an hour, 35 minutes, whatever it was, calculated at, the quality was not good because it was like buffering, and although a lot of persons were there, 39 to be exact, I had issues communicating because it was just not going as how it was. All right. As far as the list of popular YouTube channel is concerned, please bear in mind that I am not in it because of my role in which I play as a moderator, getting the figures, putting everything together. And as you all know, this would not go. This, if I should calculate and I should, let's say, I should be like second or third or fourth, it would be difficult for a lot of persons to really comprehend whether or not this was because I'm the moderator, so I put in the figures, right? So I decided not to. I decided to just to look at that, the figures, and I might in the future just look at. I might in the future when everything is finished, when I have, the number one is there, I might just say, hey, and my stats was such and such and such. Hey, bro, I'm trying to get this stream to actually mesh together. It's kind of working a little bit better than before. So I'm kind of feeling a little bit better. Right. All right. Cool. So oh, and I'm cooking stew peas for dinner, vegetable stew peas. So I'm yeah, no fish today, right, Funk? So your Oscars escape. All right. So there's this thing in which persons act. You can eat Jack Dempsey, right? You can eat Oscar, you can eat Severum, you can eat arowana. Those fish, good healthy fish for you to consume as a fish meal. Fix it up nice. You can get BP salt, no salt BP to prepare that. Tiana vlogs to prepare some nice fish meals, right? But I was gonna be doing I was gonna do a video on it, but I decided just to talk about it now. The question is, can you actually cook a goldfish? And the response is yes. I'm back, golden fish tanks. I'm back, right? And I'm trying to do it as quick as possible so that you can get on to go to the other stream, do your personal things, prepare for work, school tomorrow, and we can get on with our daily lives. All right. So goldfish is not one of those fish that I would advise you to consume, even if you catch it in the wild to be eaten. Goldfish, the meat itself is not good quality for human consumption. The fat is it's high in cholesterol, and it can mess you up as far as your health is concerned. Goldfish is also a very nasty fish. It should not be edible because of the bacteria and the parasites that tend to find within this. Yeah, hold on. Golden fish tanks. Remember, carp, goldfish, and koi are three different types of fish. They are all from the same type, just like how you have the just like how you have tiger barbs, and you would have green musk barbs, one of the green thingy, and you would have black skirt tetra, and you have some others. All of them are like from the same genetical makeup. However, when you're looking at each individually, they are actually separate and apart from each other, right? So carp, goldfish, and koi are three different fish. Koi and carp can grow massive. I mean, they can go like 4 foot, right? Very massive, right? Goldfish can go large to like I think 1.5 foot, yes. But usually that happens in the wild because it needs a lot of space to grow. And usually when you see the goldfish with a big belly or looking fat, it's not because you have been feeding it well or taking care of it, but because its organs are actually going outleave its skin because it has been confined to a space where the chemical in which it actually gives out prevents it from actually the skin that is from actually growing. So as a result, the fish go through a painful process of stretching the skin until it can't stretch no more. It just bursts and it probably just die in the aquarium, right? So goldfish is not fit for human consumption. Well, persons do eat shrimps and lobster and crabs and other crayfish, but they too are not healthy because of what they do so as to get their meals. They prey on they are like bottom dwellers, right? So these fish are just not edible, right? Same too with curry catfish and plecos. Pleco is made up of mostly fat. So therefore, in consuming pleco, you won't really get any meat from it. You just get a lot of fat, like fat, like chicken fat. fat, not good fat, right? Even wild goldfish, is not good. Yeah, the other day I think it was yes, Fong. The other day I think golden fish tanks. I think it was golden fish tanks. Said I think I was preparing some very small fish for food, right? Um, golden fish tank said to me, Fong, that when they grind up everything in the grind, the guts, the head, the scale, the tail, everything sick, right? So people do some weird things all over the world, and it's in your space. You might think that certain things are just not really right, but within their space, tradition have led them to actually so you're one of those who catch the fish and sell them to right, okay, all right. When I was a small boy going to school, I normally saw some gentlemen at the gate and they usually sell fish. Well, I know that you guys will experience it, but then they have some little guys at the gate as soon as school over, they say that, hey, give me $10, man. $10 and you get and they get $20 or $10 and buy the fish and carry it to home and throw it in their mother bucket and watch the fish swim, and by the morning they should actually golden fish tank, where are you from? Where are you from, golden fish tank? For me, you'll be astonished as to places in which fish actually survive. I have a video on that. I think that the video will be out probably one day next week where I look at fish grow fish stinky fish, right? I think that's the name of the video, right? So as showed fish grow some awesome place in which you would wonder why, you mean you're passing some place and the place look dark and the water look as if it's just stiff and thick and as if you can take a knife and cut it there, it's full of all that waste, right? And then as soon as you throw something in the water, swimming, and it's not a crocodile or alligator, right? Fish. Out of fish being there, you have the crocodiles and the alligators, right? I give me a few moments. I release soon so you can get to do regards to uh funk challenge, right? And this challenge was supposed to be in January. Uh okay, cool. Funk and I have a challenge and be in January, but because he has some personal stuff to do and I have some personal stuff to do, we won't really clash with each person. We decide that we will do it off by the end of wearing it. I think that would be okay with maybe make a small aquarium source to house my beta, and this competition is referred to as the beta breeding project, right? And this beta breeding project will see myself and from Aquatics. He will videotape himself going to the pet shop, getting a male beta and a female beta fish, and I will be doing the same thing. Hey Rob, what's up? I'll be doing the same thing, and we'll be putting those videos online. I'm not sure as to how much video we'll be doing, and is that the first person to actually get their beta fish, beta fish. And the first person, well, you have to keep the fries for at least 2 weeks to ensure that you not only can breed them but you can take care of the fries. And the first person to actually go through all that phase would be the winner, and the winner would do a boast video, a bragging rights video, and that video would be just sent straight. I won't even edit it, right? He won't even edit it. You just go straight to the channel upload, in which he okay, I'm trying to to read I'm trying to read the message mean I'm doing my video, right? I okay. Alright. The question I'm asking the golden fish tank, since the water is considered as polluted, as how Funk have actually you know spoken earlier on, when you catch fish from waters like that, do you actually consume it, or you just catch it for fun and then throw it back? Because probably the parasite might not do nothing to the fish, but it's in the fish and it can end up mess you up. And some parasites are not really killed that easy with heat, regardless of how fry or cook it. Or you catch it for fun, so do you consume it? Do you consume it? Alright. Take a while before him answer. Alright. So that is it with regards to where I'm at right now. So for the next couple of weeks, I'll be doing some fun. I don't eat it. Okay. Alright, cool. For the next couple of weeks, it will be fun as usual. Doing different things. I have video scheduled for every other day up to March the 10th. So what I'll do, I'll actually draw those videos back down. So every day that you will see a video. So this stream look a little bit better than the one before. I like it, and I said that I was going to go 10 minutes, and now it's more than 10. Right? So let us look at ways in which you can actually ensure that your fish, your fries, really just on the other side of fish. Okay. So from you drink the water from that river. They say that let's see, I don't see heart no leave. That means if somebody catch the water and fix it up and give it to you and drink it, you know, I really think. But it's the same river, right? Both of you live different places, but it's like the same river, right? Okay, that means once one part is polluted, the other part is polluted. You know that, right? Okay, all right. So I'm gonna be leaving probably in the next 2 minutes. I think and golden fish tanks. Points to note. Next week I'm gonna be trying to see if I can get a better thing, so that ensure that my stream actually doesn't get knocked by this issue, right? So in a sense, you get messed up water. Funk. That's why Funk had to move, because it's like he was getting to him. You see, it worked for him. He moved, and his baby girl is healthy, pretty, and strong. That's nice. Infinite awareness. Hey, nice to see you. Thanks for joining. Right. Thank you for infinite awareness. Alex Wilkins. Is this Alex Wilkins from my class? Is it Alex Wilkins from my class? Okay. All right, cool. So I'm ending. I'm in seconds. Okay. All right. Cool. Cape Cod. That's nice. Nice to meet you. That's cool. Infinite awareness. I guess we will make more linkage in the future, because right now this is like a makeup stream, because the first stream did not go as well because it was like buffering and stuck in. At one point in time, the internet was like reconnecting to YouTube, so it was really messed up. So I came back so as to do this stream, so as to continue what I did before. All right, I appreciate you being here. Check out those persons in the chat who have been contributing to the conversation. Golden Fish Tanks, Rob 93, and my dear friend Aqua Funk. Yeah, yeah. I'm leaving too, Funk. I'm leaving too. So thank you very much for joining. Have an awesome day. I am going to be preparing for work during the week. Bye bye, guys. Peace out. Nice to have you. Bye bye.